Let's open PicsArt. Now tap on plus icon below. Now select edit a photo and select the background link in the description. Friends, this is the main background. The first step, tap on FX on the right side here. Now the second step, you have to tap on this blur option. You can see here blur. Now select the first blur here, this one, and keep this blur exactly to the 7. Okay, your wish, 7 or 8. Now have to tap on this eraser tool here on the top. Now have to select the eraser here in the middle. Decrease the size, opacity and hardness, and erase on the surface here on the below. Okay, simply erase it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. This is the first step completed. And next step, you have to go to add photo and select 2022 PNG. Then this is 2022 PNG. Simply stretch it like this and arrange it perfectly like I'm doing in the video. Okay, how to arrange it in the center here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. This is the standing pose model image. I already erased the background because it will take so much of time. By using this cutout tool, you also erase the background. Okay, now arrange your model in the center. Perfect. Now tap on this adjust tool. Now tap on this brightness, first option, and you have to decrease little brightness. Okay, -10, and give little contrast. Okay, +5 like this. And you have to increase little clarity because the background is like night sky, and increase little saturation, and as well as you have to give little highlights, +10, and you have to give little minus shadow, have to decrease a little bit, and finally you have to give little temperature, +10. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark, arrange it in the middle like this. Now you have to tap on tick mark, and the next step, you have to go to add photo and select light PNGs. This is the Xyaa, and you have to arrange it in the corner. Okay, arrange it in the perfect. Now again tap on layers on the left side and tap on duplicate option and arrange another one here. Perfect. Again tap on duplicate and arrange perfectly here. Again tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. You can see it is perfect. Perfect. Now tap on tick, and the next step, you have to go to FX. Okay, go to FX. You have to give the shadow look to the shoes. Now tap on colors. Now select the black and white option. You can see here. Now decrease the amount to 0. Okay, keep it 0. Now you have to tap on eraser on the top. Tap on eraser. You have to tap on this invert option on the right side. Now tap on restore option here and decrease the size. Keep the settings like this, and you have to draw under the shoe to give this realistic look. Okay, shadow effect like this. It is perfect. That's it. Now tap on tick mark. You can see it gives little realistic look. Okay, now you have to go to add photo and select Happy New Year text PNG. This is the Happy New Year text PNG. Simply stretch out, arrange it in the center like this, decrease little size. It will be perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And finally, all you have to do is you have to give a little touch up. Go to tools, tap on adjust, increase little brightness. Okay, give +5, or you can give a little brightness, little more saturation, at least 50. Now you have to give little temperature as well. Okay, at least 20. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special 2022 Happy New Year photo editing tutorial is completed. Basic photo editing tutorial. Okay, now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.